Hi, this is yWriter, and you are listening to the 8th episode of the Wordplay Podcast. Today's the last day of my vacation. If all has gone according to plan, by this time I've probably spent a blissful week in beautiful Tennessee, with hardly any time on the internet to check my blogs and various social networks. I've undoubtedly had a wonderful time, but I'm also probably ready to get back in the swing of things and catch up with my readers. The winning Wednesday prize drawing for the Behold the Dawn keychain and Wordplay pin remains open until Tuesday, July 28th at 6 o'clock p.m. Mountain Standard Time. To enter, answer this week's multiple-choice question. A desk trier, a particular kind of horse, was most likely to be used by whom? A. A nobleman, B. A knight, C. A lady, D. A servant. You can submit your response using the form at the bottom of the left-hand column on my blog at wordplay-kmwyland, that's weiland.blogspot.com, or email it directly to me at km.wyland@ymail.com. Listeners of this podcast can also get a head start on next week's contest, which features the prize of an autographed poster of Behold the Dawn's cover. To enter, answer the question, what color was the official uniform of the Knights Templars? Be sure to check the blog every week for new winners and new prizes. Until then, if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, or complaints, please feel free to contact me on my website at kmwyland.com or my blog at wordplay-kmwyland.blogspot.com. That said, please enjoy this week's recording, yWriter's software tutorial. Over the years, I've dabbled with various writing software, and have always found them wanting. I'd pretty much given up on the hope of finding a program that would meet my needs as a writer. And then someone at christianwriters.com forums introduced me to yWriter. yWriter was designed by author and programmer Simon Haynes, who apparently saw the same needs I saw in my own writing life, and was able to use his programming expertise to put together one humdinger of a program. yWriter is the quintessential organizer for writers. It allows you to see your scenes, chapters, characters, settings, and just about anything else you can think of, all at a glance. As an extensive outliner, I found it particularly helpful in organizing my mountains of eventually undecipherable scrawl into neat, easily accessible notes. And the best part about yWriter? It's free for the downloading. yWriter is very user-friendly and self-explanatory for the most part. However, several people who have fallen prey to my gushing about its attributes, and who have downloaded it for themselves, have asked that I provide a quick tutorial. I provided both a video, available on my blog at wordplay-kmwyland.blogspot.com, and an audio transcript, which will walk you through the basic features. yWriter 101. 1. Start out by clicking Project in the main taskbar, then New Project Wizard. This will take you through the steps of naming and saving your doc. 2. Then click Chapter and Create New Chapter. The new chapter will appear in the field on the left. You can start out by typing in the chapter's name and a brief description. 3. Click on the name of the chapter you just created, then go up to the main taskbar, click Scene, and Create New Scene. This will bring up a pop-up box in which you can type all your scene info. By clicking through the tabs, you can keep track of POV details, characters, the time during which your scenes take place, the goals of your characters, and your scene status, outline, first draft, second draft, etc., among other things. 4. You can add characters, locations, and props by clicking on the appropriate buttons in the main taskbar. And there you have it. That's the program in a nutshell. Now you will be able to see all your chapters and scenes at a glance, and easily click through your outline to find any particular scene. The program also features other neat gizmos, such as a storyboard feature, found under the Tools heading, which allows you to see how much screen time your various POV characters are getting. yWriter puts all your information right at your fingertips. It's so much better than flipping through piles of notebooks, and it's a lot more fun, too. You can download the software free of charge at www.spacejock.com/ywriter5.html. Thank you for listening to the Wordplay Podcast. To read a transcript of this episode, visit me on the web at wordplay-kmwyland, that's weiland.blogspot.com, and be sure to listen again next week.